JDI continues to improve financial controls to ensure accurate reporting by separating refunds from recoveries. In earlier versions of Claims Manager, users were employing all kinds of workarounds, including negative payment transactions to associate recoveries with indemnity, expense, medical, and rehab reserve categories. Adding the refunds transaction type has eliminated possibilities for mistakes. Workers' compensation claims are always a single feature. However, in multi-feature claims, a user must highlight the claimant or kind of loss to associate the transaction type. The Reserves and Payment Summary, located on the bottom left, displays summary totals by claims or features and may be filtered by highlighting the claimant or kind of loss. Single feature claims display all transaction totals. The new dropdown now features refund in addition to recovery. The difference between a recovery and a refund is very simple. A refund reduces the amount paid based on reserve or payment category. A recovery is a reserve category specifically designed to reduce total incurred but does not alter payment totals. Choosing the new refund category limits the reserve category selections to payment types and does not allow a recovery transaction. If a transaction is a recovery, other reserve categories are no longer available as the default value is recovery. So how do we get historical information when we are mixing refunds with the payments in the transaction register, as the pop-out only shows the net amount paid, which includes refund reductions, but the transaction register clearly depicts the chronological and payment type history. Clicking on the Allay payment category filters a transaction report to make transaction reconciliation simpler. The enhanced separation of recovery and refunds makes reconciliation and forensic analysis much simpler, while prohibiting user error by not allowing transactions to incorrectly be categorized. The net effect on total incurred is never changed, and in cases of workers' compensation where many people report on gross incurred and net incurred, applying a refund to a payment transaction has no effect on the gross incurred totals, only ignore recoveries and not refunds. Software programs are expected to control user input and ultimately produce intelligent reports. JDI makes every attempt to make user input intuitive and accurate by only allowing activity transactions to be entered as intended. Please contact your client advocate for more information on financial controls or ask for a lunch and learn training session.